My lovely Taurans, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Taurans, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign as always for the month of June 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading, so it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Taurans, before we jump into your energies and reading, a couple of points I wanted to clarify. So this month I have changed the pattern of the reading. Instead of the 10 card Celtic cross spread, I am doing a 5 card spread this time, followed by few oracle cards. Okay. Also this month I am pulling one crystal oracle healing card for each sign, guys. So basically crystals work with your vibrations and tell us precisely which part of us needs attention or healing. Okay, it could be physical, it could be emotional, spiritual, cosmic, whatever. Okay, so stay tuned till the end, guys. It's going to be interesting. Coming to your energy, guys, it was insane. Trust me, it was insane. The cards would just keep on flipping, you know. I was not able to shuffle the decks, you know, both the tarot as well as the oracle. I feel that someone is being hyper, like very hyper. Okay, either hyper in terms of thought process or energetically running around here and there, or someone's thoughts are just running haywire. Okay, there are too many things that you are thinking, too many things on your plate, too many things that you want to do, too many thoughts going on. Okay, in fact my heart was also racing with the racing thoughts. The cards, I trust me, it was insane. I was not able to shuffle properly. The cards just kept on flipping. Okay, so guys, just calm down. You really need to calm down. Okay, please. Also do check your anxiety levels, stress levels. Do check your BP. Okay, because with so much of hyperactive or hyper thoughts, I would say, I'm sure it might impact your health somewhere. Okay, so just be careful about your thoughts, your health. There was one more message that kept on coming. Maybe some of you guys might get some messages from someone. See, did you see just now? The deck is just flipping like this. Okay, I was just not able to shuffle. So anyway, someone might expect a lot of communication, speedy communication from somewhere. The things might all of a sudden gain momentum. Okay, I had similar energies for Cancerian also. So if you have Cancer anywhere in your chart, do check that reading as well. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we have for you guys for this month now. Let's see your where your energies are headed. Wow, oh my god. Yeah, the tower moment, guys, had shown up while shuffling also, by the way. So yeah, let's see. Hermit, yeah, I forgot to speak about this. So basically the energy that I was also connecting to was someone who needs a break, you know, a real break. Like you are so tied up with your responsibilities that someone is thinking, God, I really need a break, you know. Be it for 1 day, 1 hour, whatever it is, I really need a break. So the Hermit card is confirming that you really need some time to yourself. Empress, wow, it's a lovely, two lovely major arcanas, guys. King of Cups and Queen of Cups, wow, soulmate energy and Four of Wands. Some of you might get into a committed relationship, maybe, but yeah, I'll leave it at that. So your present energy is that of World. Okay, so life coming full circle for some of you guys. Interestingly, there is Tower card also. So definitely there are some lessons learned over here, some karmic life cycle completed for some of you guys. Okay, this could also mean that some of you guys are planning to travel. Okay, travel overseas maybe. I know this is pandemic. Okay, but yeah, like I always say, the reading spans over a couple of months. Okay, manifestations do take time, but definitely this could be you traveling some overseas planning some overseas travel, maybe for workplace. Maybe that is the reason why you are getting anxious. Don't know what it is, but definitely a lot of anxiety is what I'm experiencing. And like I said earlier, some lessons are learnt over here, okay, or you are learning some lessons, okay. There is a lot of movement in your life going on energetically is what I'm saying here, guys. Maybe the restlessness is coming from that, the recklessness is coming that, because there is some energy shift is what I'm experiencing for you guys, Taurans. Definitely do meditate to calm yourself down, okay. The energy in your recent past is that of the Emperor. This is you kind of trying to bring being disciplined, trying to bring some routine in your life, trying to set some routine, rather trying to be being organized. But guys, somewhere I'm getting an energy of being controlling over here, okay. Probably you guys were struggling to bring control in your life or someone else's life, basically trying to dominate, trying to control. Maybe you are sitting in this energy wherein you are, in fact I'm feeling that you are freaking out because you are trying to control the situation, you are trying to control the things, you are trying to control people, and that is what is freaking you out, guys. So if that is what you are doing, please don't do that. Let go of things. Sometimes things are just not in your control, and it's really best rather to let loose, okay. Let go of things and let just things unfold naturally and take their natural course, okay. That's what I'm getting over here from this Empress energy. This is an Aries card, by the way. You could have Aries in your charts, or you could be dealing with a fellow Arian in your energy. The energy in your immediate future is that of 5 of Wands. Again, some sort of struggle I'm seeing over here. Sorry. This could be at workplace, at personal level. But guys, this could also be your self-induced struggle, okay. This could be your cluttered mind that is playing the games over here. Like I said, I am feeling a lot of hyperactive energy. So this struggle could be your self-inflicted. I had similar cards in some other sign. I am just not able to recollect which sign that was. But I had similar energy there. Anyway, so try to control your thoughts, guys. You will definitely be able to control half the issues that are occurring, okay. Just don't be hyper. Try to meditate. Try to calm down is what I'm getting over here. There is, in the blockages, there is Tower, okay. Some lessons that you are going to learn or have learned. Maybe this could be directly related with this 5 of Wands. This could be a Tower moment at workplace also, okay. But this is definitely that has taught you some lessons big time, okay. Some lessons that you are not going to forget, and you should not forget. Basically, you are not supposed to forget. Tower happens, Tower moment shows up in the reading only when there are certain lessons which you are supposed to learn, and it's not that this is happening overnight, guys. The Tower has not come down overnight. It had been giving you the indications, it had given you enough warning signs to take the right actions. But if you do not take actions, it just comes down crashing down, and it ensures that you are learning your lessons, okay. So when this Tower comes down, definitely it's a little difficult to get back up again, okay. It's not easy, but the important thing is that you learn your lessons, okay. World card and the Tower card definitely are indicating that you guys are going to have some karmic lessons learned over here, which were very much necessary for you guys to learn in this lifetime, okay. Yeah, the energy in the advice position is that of 7 of Pentacles. Now this is asking you guys to be a little patient, okay. Have patience, do not rush over things, okay. You have put some it's like you have worked hard towards something, you have put your blood and sweat into something, and you are waiting for the results, okay. So just know that things will come to you at the right time, guys. Just you just have to wait, okay. I'm sure you are going to get whatever it is that you have worked so hard towards, okay. That's the kind of energy I'm getting, and that is the advice of the universe basically for you guys, to have patience, okay. Yeah, again, there are so many major arcanas in this reading, guys. Emperor and Empress, by the way. This is a soulmate reading. This is a soulmate partnership, okay. I feel that for some of you guys, this could be this tower moment or this world card. This could be related to someone's personal relationship. Someone's personal relationship might have taken a hit for some reasons, okay, but whatever this incident was, whatever this low phase, whatever this conflicting phase was, guys, it is going to teach you lessons forever. And I do not see a death card over here, which means that maybe this, whatever this conflict was, it's going to make your bond stronger, is what I'm seeing. For some of you guys, I also feel that there is pregnancy involved over here. Some of you guys might be expecting a baby. If that's the case, heartiest congratulations, guys. Whenever I have got the Empress card, I have heard good news from someone or the other. So if that's the case with you, I really wish you heartiest congratulations. And yeah, it's such a beautiful beautiful energy to hold. Both the Empress and Emperor are very much headstrong, very much sure of I mean, they're very opinionated people, is what I'm seeing over here. Yes, this could also mean that some of you guys might be thinking of starting a new venture in terms of career. You might have got some idea, new inception of new idea for in terms of career, okay. That could also be the case for some of you guys. But for honestly, in this reading, it looks like pregnancy to me for one thing, and someone's relationship is in a little is going through a little bad phase, is what I'm seeing over here. And I'm sorry for that, but I'm sure you're going to come up stronger from whatever this phase is. The Hermit card, it's a Virgo card, so this is definitely a call for get into some isolation, seek some answers within, okay. Try to understand what is it that this phase wants to teach me, okay. What are the lessons that I'm supposed to learn. Definitely some soul searching is required over here. This could also be that some of you guys are already getting into isolation. Maybe you have realized that there is too much of stuff going around and I really need a break. So that kind of energy I'm getting over here, and I feel that you should take this break, okay. Take time out for yourself, get grasp of yourself, collect your energies and take a small break, okay, and then move on with life, is what I'm getting over here. So guys, let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, see, that's insane. Like, even before I can shuffle, the cards are popping out. The card that is showing is believe in the impossible. What a lovely and reassuring message. So guys, no matter how tough the times are, even if you're going through that tower moment, know that things are going to improve. Believe, have faith and believe in the impossible, okay. Just keep on going, keep on doing your good deeds and leave rest to the universe or God or whoever is the supreme power that you believe in. Guys, let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful angel oracle deck. Guys, 3 cards have flipped and I am somehow called to take these cards. First card is no, okay. So whatever question that you have in your mind, okay, know that the answer for that is no, at least as of now, okay. It's not like no, but at least as of now you should park, or you should hold off in taking that action, whatever it is, okay. Ask your angels, okay. Ask your angels and trust. So it's another lovely message, guys. It's going hand in hand with this believe in the impossible and the Hermit card, okay. When you say ask your angels, it could also mean you should ask or seek the answers within, okay, within your own self, and you will get those answers. For this you really need to meditate, okay. Surrender to God, surrender to the angels and trust the process. See, believe in the impossible and trust cards, they again are going hand in hand. The message here that God wants to wants you to know is that you should trust the process. You should surrender to the divine. Stop fretting out. Yeah, fretting is the right word. I was thinking about the word right while I was shuffling. Stop fretting. Trust the process. Trust God. Trust universe, and just keep on believing and having faith is what the angels are trying to tell you. Lovely message, guys. I really liked it. So like I said, I'm going to pull one crystal card for you guys. So let's see which crystal is being called. Oh my god, did you see that? I've been telling you right from the beginning that the cards are just jumping out. The card or the crystal that has jumped out is apatite. Incidentally, this crystal had jumped or popped out right while I was shuffling for your energy, and it has come out again right at the start. Okay, so I'm sure this is the crystal which is being pulled out or calling you. Okay, so let's see what message this crystal is carrying. Sorry guys. So this card basically is asking you to let go of whatever is not serving you. Okay, since especially there is a tower moment in your energies, guys, learn the lessons and let go of the rest. Okay, also the card is asking you to seek the guidance within. You should you should focus on improving your intuition. Okay, your subconscious is very strong. It's just that you need to listen to the messages that it is trying to give you. So focus on getting the messages from your intuition. Focus on making your intuition strong. Okay, and you can you have the insights that you can share or gifts to share with the world. Do that is what the card is asking you to do. Okay, and let go of whatever is not serving you. Okay, just learn the lessons and move on. Okay, that's what the card has asked, or that's what the message is. So guys, I'll leave it at that. I hope you like the reading. Please let me know your thoughts about this pattern. Okay, if any of this resonates with you, if this is your story, please share your experiences, drop comments, like the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, also if you need any of the crystals in real life, any of your if you need crystals for anything, okay, do get in touch with me and we can work it out for you guys. Okay, so I'll see you next month directly. Now stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.